Farah returns to the stars with two stunning new additions to its Moonphase collection, the Stratton and the Burbidge Eastern Arabic edition. Once again, the British brand proves that adventure, color, and craftsmanship can live beautifully in the same watch. Each model keeps the signature 38.5mm cushion case, balancing brushed and polished finishes with a subtle grain twist texture. A Farah hallmark, front and back sapphire crystals, a solid bronze crown, and 50 meters of water resistance complete the package. At the heart lies the poetic, hand-painted Moonphase disc, crafted in Switzerland with a luminous moon that glows like the real thing under night skies. The Stratton honors Frederick Stratton, astronomer and World War I veteran. It features a gold PVD case paired with a natural Eisenkiesel stone dial, where golden-brown quartz veins make each piece truly unique. It's also the first Farah to debut gold-tinted superluminova, developed in collaboration with Tritech, glowing warmly in the dark. The Burbidge Eastern Arabic edition, limited to just 100 pieces, embraces a different kind of beauty. An Arctic blue sunburst dial carries Eastern Arabic numerals and a delicate pink moon, inspired by April's pink moon. It's a poetic fusion of astronomy and culture, a collector's dream. Inside beats the Selita SW288-1MA, a manual caliber with a 45-hour power reserve, visible through a sapphire back, engraved with Farah's signature arrow bridge. The Stratton joins the permanent collection, while the Burbidge Eastern Arabic is limited, both reminding us that watchmaking can be bold, cultural, and timeless.